Hello, it's Gazi here. Welcome back to the second part of this video. So in this video, I'm going to cover three basic things. The first one, pick a niche. And second is we just gonna create our landing page. And third one, we are going to get 100 subscribers before we publish our first newsletter. So how to do that? The first one is very simple things. Pick out a niche. So how could we able to pick our niche and what will be our newsletter? The simple thing is that solving a problem. For me, I just started writing about South Korea because when I just landed in Korea, I didn't know what is around, and I just wanted to figure out what is the informations about markets, about educations and so on, but I did not get the proper informations. Landing here, I got to know tons of resources that should people know. So there is the one thing is solving the problem. So what is most personal is most universal. So there is the one thing you could try out. So what are problem you are facing, just try to solve. And one thing is to notice that you have to be passionate about what you are writing about or you just enjoy doing. There is one other things need to be remember always. Second one, helping people. So for example, you want to help people getting more smarter about crypto, so Milk Road is there. If you want to know more history, 1450 is there. So if you want to save money on flights, is going is there. So there is tons of newsletters doing best. Waller is helping people to become more smarter or helping people to get to know the real facts. So if I summarize this, how to pick out a niche, the first one is your interest, what you are good at or you are passionate about and you love doing. Second one is solving a problem. That for me, I just wanted to solve the problem. What is the most interesting facts about South Korea people wanted to know, so I just wanted to write about it. And third is helping people getting more smarter. These three basic things you should know, but first you don't need to be perfect. You just getting started and just try to figure out later what should be. You just keep refining on and then just come up with really good things or really good stuff that will work for you. Let's go for the second part, is just creating a Behhiiv account. Is very simple. I'm gonna share a screen and you just look at that. Okay, let's get it started. So creating an account on Behhiiv is very simple. Just go to behhiiv.com and just simple click and start trial. No credit card or nothing else. It's quite straightforward. Continue with the Google. I know that you use very simple things. If you know how to use, I guess you can do. Okay, that's it. If you have an experience or you are a beginner, so I suppose you are a beginner, you can just select this one and select the right name within your niche. So I'm gonna write about South Korea, so I will write something South Korea coffee just randomly. I can change it as well if you want. I'm just doing randomly, but you can do seriously if you just getting started. So our local news or something, not blockchain entertainment. And how often do you publish? I guess weekly, on a weekly basis for the first time is gonna be more easier to you to get motivated, because if you write for once a week you can get more time to do a little bit of more marketing or something. So we're gonna start weekly basis and then twice or thrice a week after getting better and better. There is some of the community that they are recommending to join there, and right now we are 30 days trial right now, so they are welcoming us and something. So let's finish the setting and build your website. So first we're gonna build our website. So say is our landing page. So landing page is very important, so people just wanted to see your landing page, whether they will. There is a lot of template here. Choose whatever you want, but later you can change is by your own. Here's your logos, your just people mostly read on phone, so phone gonna be better. Blue color and black piece of things. Just a little bit of design and color patterns. Here you go. There is our. We just wanted to finish. We will have another video where we will optimize our headings, our content marketing, and so forth. But right now, just for okay, there we go. We are here. Look at that, our site close. So there is our dashboard here. So right now we are on our dashboard. There's the first no active subscriber, no appearer, nothing else. We don't need to understand everything. So gradually we will. There is a post sections. We can post it all. There is an audience. Right now we don't have any audience. Monetization website. Let's look at our website first. Here is our website here. We did not complete it yet, but we will right now. So here is the text. We can just write something in on you beauty. We're just gonna write something. There is the thing is scenes, and we need a logo, right? There's login sections out here, paragraphs. Do we need our paragraphs or something? I think we don't. There is an advanced mode out here. You can just keep trying and try. And there is also Behhiiv tutorials on their official website. And you can also add blog animal, subscriber, and the socials and whatever you want. We can put an image as well here. Let's make a simple logo here. We go to canva.com and start designing logo for newsletter. Just I just made it. I can just make it simple. For example, I just take it out, just drag it down, and then make bigger. It's perfect. Hinges. Let's download it. I guess that's it. I guess let's upload an image here. Yes, I got it. Yes, it's pretty straightforward. It looks very well. Okay, that's it for today because we just only live on our website and publishes only this page, all pages. So you can also home pages, archives, and everything, and you can also share this up. Our dashboard is live. Our Behhiiv account is ready. So the second part of that, and third part, we just do some basic stuff within the first day or in this week. We just going through step by step how could we able to get first 100 subscriber in 7 days. We just gonna go through very slowly, and then after getting some momentums we will testify a lot of things. I guess that's going to be a very, very interesting journey together. Okay, we have created our landing page. So right now there is third steps to do right now for this week. I just gonna set up the CTA wherever I can. I will the link on my website, on my social media, on my wherever I can put this CTA. I will, so that I can get some of the subscriber. Maybe I can get 10 to 15 subscriber on that by doing so. If I don't get, I will not be able to rig for that. So the second step I will do is talk about to our friends. I will find someone who will really interested and who will truly read my newsletter as well, so that I will become more accountable. I friends, family, colleague, and wherever you can, just don't be afraid on that. Just pitching. So I will pitch like this: Hey, I have started a newsletter, something about the topic or something. You just tell a little bit within one line. Second, you will just put the link. Here it is, and you can unsubscribe anytime. So just saying this, and you can just give the link to him or her. Probably by doing so, you can get 50 subscriber, I guess. If I sum up, so 30 subscriber you got from CTA and to your friends. Third is we're gonna go pre-CTA, it is called it. So before publishing our newsletter, we will just announce about it. So we just gonna publishing our newsletter in this Monday or this Tuesday or something, and we will just tell about what will contain it, why it's special, why should you read, and we just all the descriptions I will give
doing it on and on, or just this might bring me more 50 subscriber all about. So I will just keep DM to wherever person I will in front of me on my LinkedIn, my X, and wherever I could as much as I can. So in this week, I will try to get 100 subscriber on DM. I hope that you will do it as well. Just very simple way. So whether people are interested or not doesn't matter who will read or not. Just get the first accountability partner who will carefully read your newsletter. That's it. And try to get as much as you can. No need to worry about who will read or not. So thank you so much for this week. We will just see the next week with how much progress we did and what is the next process or next step we're gonna do. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for this. And by the way, if you are watching on Facebook or TikTok, you should watch on YouTube or go to personal website zazimasud.com/email marketing. So that will give you tons of resources. So I think you will enjoy this video and see you in the next week.